Here is a Lasko box fan picked up from a thrift store the other day. This is one of the Cool Colors models, and this would be the blue one, in case we have any colorblind viewers out there. I don't know how many different colors there are. The black one and the purple one, those are the only ones that I ever see at the stores. I guess there's obviously the blue one. I think there's a red one, maybe a green one. I might be making that up, the green one. Then there's the 4th of July Freedom fan. I think that gets lumped in with the Cool Colors also. I think I paid $3 for this one. It's pretty dirty. It's got some fuzz on it. I don't know what that is. Lint, dust of some kind. Now, I didn't see this before. The guard up here in the corner is busted. Blades are pretty dirty. Looks like some animal hair of some kind on the blades. I really hope it's not cat hair. I'm gonna be bummed out here in a few minutes if that's cat hair. I guess we'll see if my eyes start to swell up and stuff. By the end of the video, I'll know for sure. Motor is not too congested. It's just a little dirty. No big deal. Let's see if there's a model number, date information on this. Well, I can't see anything well enough to find a model number, but the date code is 2014 to 2015, draws 0.8 amps. There's no feet. And I guess, I don't know yet if it's going to need the feet. Sometimes I think with these Cool Colors fans, it just depends on which capacitor they used. If they put the larger capacitor in this and it runs faster, then it's probably going to need the feet. But the slower ones don't really kick back as bad. Blue plug. And I'm going to point this away from me. Expecting all that stuff to come flying out of there. Here's high speed. Kind of chatter coming out of there. That's pretty good though. Sounds like maybe there's something stuck in behind the blade hub that's rubbing in there. Doesn't really sound like a motor noise, it just sounds like there's some friction in there behind the blade hub. I have to take it off and clean it out, but that noise goes away. Runs good though. No issues that I can tell. It did blow a lot of that dust out of there. Sneezing or anything yet, so that's good. little squeak in there too. Maybe the bearings are a little bit dry. I don't know. Trying to see if we can shake something out of there. I guess not. Alright, we'll go back to high. Not a bad spin down. So I think we're pretty good. This one just needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, pretty good for $3. Pretty good find, I think. So I have 2 of the black ones, 2 of the Freedom fans, and now I have the blue cool colors. I'm not really seeking out the other colors, but if I run into them somewhere, I'll probably pick them up. Just because they are pretty good fans. I mean, they're reliable. And one thing I kind of like about these is that they're a little bit smaller than like the Weather Shield fans or the Power Plus and all those. These are a little smaller cabinet, so they're a little more economical. If you're in a small space, it's easier to pack this away somewhere than a bigger box fan would be. Moves pretty good air. They're a little noisy, but not too bad. Pretty decent fans though. I don't know how much these are anymore. I want to say around 25 bucks, maybe more than that by now, but I can't remember. I want to say around $25, but I think they used to be under 20 before the whole inflation fiasco. But $3 for this one's pretty good. Cool colors, Lasko, dust bunnies. Thank you for watching.